Alright. So I'm hoping you guys will be able to see this pretty good. This is how I'm feeding this little guy. See how small he is? And he's so jerky, I gotta hold his head still. And, hi, you gonna open your mouth, little baby? Yeah, oh yeah. You're ready to eat. Here you go. And just like the absolute slightest amount. Teeny tiny amounts for him. And you gotta go left to right. Otherwise, you run the risk of aspirating the baby. I'm not an expert. I've just watched a bazillion videos and read a bazillion things. And I've been in contact with my breeder pretty much this whole breeding season. I love her so much. She answers all of my questions. She's given me so much advice. Oh, geez. That was way too much. I am so sorry about that. Okay. There you go. Okay, good. Okay, let me see. And you can see his crop is a little bubble there. That means he's got food in it. I should have showed you before we started feeding because it was empty. He's probably pretty full. So I think that's all I'm going to feed him because you really want to be careful not to overfeed. So, and I'm going to change out his little paper towel just because there's food in it. He keeps pooping and ends up staying on him. So, he's such a tiny, happy little guy. Oh, look at him. He's so stinking cute. And yeah, you can hear all my other birds in the background. They're mad. Oh, there's this little guy. Oh my goodness. So tiny and so fragile. And I hope he starts getting that other leg moving better. Yeah, baby birds are pretty ugly. My mom thinks they're pretty ugly. But I think they're gosh darn cute. Nice full baby. He's probably going to take a nap.